May 3, 2012. This is Justice Done Dirt Cheap. We were at the Justice building. I just came out after filing some documents at provincial court. You might be interested in what they are. And I'll show you here. We have the applicant's pre-hearing brief for a notice of application and constitutional issue. New Brunswick Rules of Provincial Court Practice. So I'll say that again. Notice of application and constitutional issue, New Brunswick Rules of Provincial Court Practice, Form 3. You can see that there. Here's the actual notice of application and constitutional issue, Form 3. This is the actual application. What I just showed you over here was the brief that has all the legal argument in support of it. And then over here we have affidavit, Form number 2. That's under the Provincial Rules of Court, Form 2. So what these are regarding is we are challenging the City of Fredericton's bylaw regarding riding on the sidewalk with a helmet. It is unconstitutional. It violates our Section 7 and Section 15(1) Charter rights. As an adult in Canada, in the City of Fredericton, we should be able to choose where we ride our bicycles, and the choices should be left to us to decide where is the safest place to ride and how we are going to go about that. As long as we are harming no one and not acting dangerously, if there's no injured party, there should be no reason for us not to be able to ride on the sidewalks with a bicycle. As long as we share the sidewalk space appropriately with pedestrians that don't have bicycles, if everyone respects each other, there'll be no problem whatsoever. So, when one is the age of majority in Canada, we are held accountable by law as an adult. Everything we do has serious adult repercussions. So it should correspond that as an adult we can decide when and where to ride our bicycles. This is specifically dealing with riding on the sidewalk with a bicycle. This bylaw is outrageous. Just physically being on the sidewalk with a bicycle can land a person $50 to $500 fine, depending on if the City of Fredericton Police Force wants to come over and tackle you. And they actually have the powers of arrest over such a minor infraction. Now, if you've never been arrested by the City of Fredericton Police Force, boy, you're in for a surprise. It's not a gentle, friendly matter. They take it quite seriously. It's very physical. It is brutal. And anything you do that they decide is resisting arrest, they punish you for it. They do something called pain compliance to make you comply with their orders no matter how unreasonable they are. So just to let you know, I've been arrested by the City of Fredericton Police Force regarding riding on the sidewalk with a bicycle, and it is outrageous. Constable David Beck, football style, tackled me off my bicycle because I was simply riding on the sidewalk with a bicycle. That is outrageous. I don't believe it's appropriate. I believe the use of force is disproportional in the situation, and because of that I filed a notice of application for a constitutional issue, because I want to challenge this so that other people are not subject to similar type experiences that I've had. I mean, I was injured pretty severely in that experience, that exchange, and it's not warranted. Not over a simple bylaw issue where all the city can do is charge a fine of $50 to $500. One shouldn't have our Section 7 and Section 15(1) rights violated because of that. It's wrong. There's certain terms that are used that describe the wording being inappropriate. One of the terms is called overbreadth, where it's basically the wording is too broad to be applied in a coherent manner. And for there to be a blanket bylaw that just being on the sidewalk with a bicycle allows the City of Fredericton to police force to actually arrest you is outrageous. It's wrong that this bylaw is still on the books, and we're going to take it off the books. And the way you do that is you file a charter challenge, and we've done that with provincial court, and if you stay tuned, we'll let you know how it goes. We need to serve the appropriate authorities so that they can respond in good time and have this matter heard out and find out whether the City of Fredericton bylaw regarding, and that bylaw number is T-4 Section 15, that's riding on the sidewalk with a bicycle. So, just in closing, it's May 3, 2012. We are filing a notice of application on constitutional issues to have this bylaw struck down, so no one else has to be subject to these ridiculous, overboard arrest procedures for a simple matter of a $50 to $500 fine that shouldn't be imposed in the first place. So thank you all for watching. I wish you a great day. And again, we were just at the Justice Building down in Provincial Court filing our documents. Thanks for watching and have a good day.